Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 4 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I earned. All right, so I'm going to show you each item, tell you what it is, and give you my earnings. It's going to be after fees and after all the shipping. So, first item I have here is a new Kona Sole high coverage strappy back suit. My earnings were $14.20. I paid $2 out of from a new wholesaler that I'm buying through, and so $14.20 minus my $2 is $12.20. Everything that I sell, I'm going to give you my total profit after I take off my cost of purchase. And so at the end, we'll add everything up for the 4 days worth of sales that we made. My next item I've got is a bundle of a baby doll sheer lingerie set, red and gold, and a new Exhilaration seamless high neck bralette. And so those both came out of wholesaler boxes for $1 a piece, and so $14.20 is what I earned, so another $12.20. That's kind of weird that it's the exact same number. And then the next item I have is a pair of Ava and Viv mid-rise 16 dress cropped pants. Those came out of a liquidation box for $2. $11 is what I earned, so $9 are my in-pocket profit on that one there. Then I've got, of course, it's May, so we've got lots of summer wear going. So a new with tags Beach Betty Slimming Control Bikini Swim Top. This came out of a new wholesaler that I'm buying from for $2. $15.80 is what I earned, so $13.80 are my actual in-pocket profits. Then I have a really cute kind of lavender strappy 36C underwire shirt bra. It's called a t-shirt bra because of the fabric. And I've got that out of a actually Bulq.com liquidation box for about $1. And so $5.25 is what I earned. So $4.25 are my in-pocket profits. The next item I've got here is a Ava and Viv size 1X cotton poly blend V-neck top. This came out of a liquidation box for about $2. I've had it on my store for quite some time. $2.05 is what I earned, so I made a whopping 5 cents. And then my next item here is a pair of new without tags Exhilaration soft black moto leggings. They're really kind of clever if they kind of have a ribbed effects on them. These were $2 out of a liquidation box as well. $6.25 is what I earned. $4.25 are my in-pocket profits. When I buy liquidation from Bulq.com or via trading or whatever, I usually average anywhere from $2 to $2.50 per item because I buy such large lots. So these last few lots that I bought it was a pallet of around 500 items. So that's why a lot of my liquidation is around the $2 mark. Same thing with this. This is an Ava and Viv. I believe it's a Target brand. It's $7.25 is what I've earned. $2 is what I paid. And so, and some of my liquidation box, I even earned a little bit less than that. And so I usually just go on an average. $7.25, $5.25 would be my in-pocket profits. So far, we're doing pretty good today. Then I've got a pair of Hawk & Company memory foam shoes. Really nice pair of men's loafers. I always sell men's shoes really, really well, which is why I don't have very many left on my store. So I'm on the hunt for a couple of liquidators that I can find good, inexpensive men's shoes. But those were $4 out of a liquidation box. $9.05 is what I spent. So $5.05 are my in-pocket profits on those pair of shoes. The next item I've got is a pair of rubber boots, Cat and Jack, size 5 poly neoprene boots. $6.25 is what I earned. $2 is what I spent out of a liquidation. Anything I didn't get in box shoes-wise that was in my liquidation box were always $2. $6.25, so $4.25 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Next item I got is a razorback zipper front top with boy shorts. So it's kind of a tank top boy short swimsuit. It's really, really cute. Floral. That was $2 out of a new wholesaler box. $12 is what I earned. And so $10 for my in-pocket profits on that one. Then I have a set of jewelry, cute pair of dream catcher dangle earrings, and then a really cute women's turquoise and silver round stone ring. So this was $1 that I actually bought at the cash and carry at Las Vegas ASD Market Week. And then these I found on clearance at a local retailer for $1. And so I have $2 invested into that bundle. $4.05 is what I earned. So $2.05 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then I have a new Tags Maidenform Self-Expressions romper. That's basically skin tone. $6.25 is what I earned. $1 from a liquidation box is what I've got on that. And so $5.25 are my in-pocket profits there. Then I've got these really fun Estella strappy sandal pumps. They're very glittery and sparkly. I don't know if you can tell that from the video, but they're very, very sparkly, kind of metallic-y. Those were $2 out of a liquidation box. $9.25 is what I earned. So $7.25 are my profits on that. Then I've got, of course, my new bathing wholesaler, $2. $18.40 is what I earned on this tankini size 18 with black bottoms. And so $18.40 minus 2, $16.40. Then I have a sweater that came directly out of my own closet. $2.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 is what I get to keep. That one's really cute. It has fringe and everything on it. It just doesn't fit me anymore. Alrighty, and then I've got a really nice Jillian and O'Malley cotton spandex romper, kind of a olive green color. This came out of a liquidation box. $2 was the average price. $6.25 is what I earned. So $4.25. So a lot of these I know came from my liquidation boxes because they're brand new with tags. So anything that comes without tags, usually I know I got from the Goodwill outlet or different places like that. So most of these are a lot of my brand new liquidation items, which is part of the reason why they're selling for a little bit higher price, except for the ones I've had on there forever. Here is a sugar fixed tassel pendant necklace, a turquoise tassel pendant necklace. This I actually got from retail store for $1 on the clearance rack. $2.25 is what I earned. So $1.25 are my in-pocket profits on that one. Then I have a really, really sharp looking one-piece swimsuit. It's yellow and purple and black. It's super flattering the way that I have the colors on this suit. If it was my size, I would have probably kept it myself. My earnings were $11, $2 for my wholesaler, and so $9 are my in-pocket profits. Then I've got this Sugar Coast backless scoop neck line swimsuit. It's got a really cool ruffled edge on the front end of it. $16 is what I earned on that. $2 from my wholesaler, so $14 are my in-pocket profits. Then I have, this was a really cute Wild Fable plunging striped jumpsuit. It's like the little rompers with the pants, kind of culotte pants. $13.40 is what I earned on that. $2 from my liquidation box, so $11.40 my profits on that. Then I have a bundle. You know how I love my bundles. I got this really cute A New Day tote with snap closure. It's kind of got a paint look to it. And then this is a Hot Shapers hot belt. It's one of those things that you put on your waist and you exercise with, and it's supposed to make you sweat more. This came from a really, really old Bulq.com liquidation box for $1. And then this was $2 out of a liquidation box. So I've got $3 invested in that bundle. My earnings were $9.05, and so $6.05 are my in-pocket profits on that. Just a couple more things and then we're done. I've got a bra that I got from a new wholesaler as well. This was only $1. $7.25 is what I earned, and so $6.25 are my in-pockets profits. Then I've got a bundle, a large bundle of jewelry that includes, let me see, fun orange white ducky earrings. It has gold dangly earrings, and then 3 crown rings at various different sizes, size 10, size 7. And so those were all $1 a piece because I bought 3 of the rings from the ASC Market Week cash and carry section. The pair of earrings I got from a local retailer, and then the ducky earrings, I actually bought the little pendants and made them myself, and so they are $5 invested with the 5 items at $1 a piece. My earnings were $12, and so $7 are my in-pocket profits on that. And then we have a purse with earrings. I bundled a set myself, and you can do this a lot with items that you think are a low dollar item, but you still want to move them. You can make kind of your own bundle, which is one listing, but it's a purse here. And then I also include these fun earrings to go with it. And so the purse actually came from, I think, Goodwill Outlet, and the earrings came from local retail store for $1. And so $1.50 is what I have invested. $3.25 is what I earned. So now I have to do $1.50 minus $3.25 is, let me see, $1.75. Alrighty, so $1.75 on that. And those were items that I originally would not have probably sold on Poshmark, simply because they were lower dollar items and they wouldn't have gotten a lot of interest. But because I bundled them, I think it made it much more interesting for the buyer. And then here is a new with tags Razorback 2-piece swimsuit with a longer kind of tankini top, which is nice. For swimming. This was $2 from my wholesaler. $7.25 is what I earned, and so $5.25. And remember, this is 4 days worth of sales on Poshmark. We're gonna get the stuff shipped right away. And then I actually sold a 4-piece luxury home bamboo blend sweet sheet set, and so it's in really, really good condition. This came out of a liquidator box for $1. $6.25 is what I earned, so $5.25 are my in-pocket profits for that. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of this up and tell you how many orders it is for 4 days worth of sales on Poshmark. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got everything added up, and it came out to $184.95 for a total of 27 orders for sales for 4 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Hopefully it's been helpful to see what exactly I sold. It's May. You can definitely see that represented in the style of items I sold, much more summer wear. And hopefully this has been helpful to see what you can sell yourself. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.